Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So today I will show you how to make a map voting system in Roblox. So this is going to contain a frame, so there's going to be buttons that you can click to add your vote to that map, and there's also going to be a timer that is going to show the game timer, I guess. So when it's gonna be over is going to be the voting time, and then game time. So yeah, this system is going to have that. So if you want to make a voting system with a timer or game timer, then this video is for you. And yeah, it's going to be a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is follow what I'm doing and customize your stuff or your GUI. So let's get started. So let's insert a screen GUI in the starter GUI, and we're gonna call this the voting GUI, and we're gonna add a frame. I'm gonna call this the voting frame. There you go. I'm going to insert a little text label that's going to say, vote for map. And I'll customize this a little bit to, make it look professional, I guess. Let's make this to red, cause why not? No, it's kinda dog shit to be honest, but it's fine. Okay, there we go. Okay, this looks kind of horrible, but it's fine, guys. This is just for this video, of course. There you go. So that's gonna be my GUI. Now we're going to make the buttons. We're gonna make the buttons so you can actually vote for a map. So I'm going to make 2 maps. I'm gonna make one called maybe this is a little bit too big. Wait, there you go. I'll make 3 maps. I'll make 3 maps for this tutorial. There we go. So I just add 3 text buttons, and I don't know why I can't scale them. Okay, there we go. Why can't? Okay. There we go. The first map is going to be grass. The second will be desert. And the third will be snow. So now that we have our GUI, we have to rename all of the elements inside of our frame. So I'm going to rename this to title, this one to grass, this button to grass, this to desert, and this to snow. So now we can make this frame invisible. So select it, go into properties and uncheck visible. So now we're gonna make a folder called votes, and we're gonna create 3 int values, or whatever is the amount of maps you have. And one will be called grass, the other desert, and the other to snow, of course. Keep the values to 0. Now we're gonna create a folder in workspace, and we're gonna call them maps. We're gonna call it maps, and then inside of the maps folder, we're gonna call one. We're gonna make another grass folder, and then desert, and then snow. So now that we have everything set up, we're gonna make all the maps. So I'm just gonna make a base plate. Okay, you build your map, don't worry. I'm just here to actually code the system. So I'm going to make this like that. So that's gonna be the grass map. And whenever you're making a map, just put everything in that maps folder. So the base plate here is going to go inside of the grass folder, which is inside of the maps folder. And I'm gonna duplicate the base plate, put it next to it. I'm gonna make it white and put it in the snow folder, and then another one. This is going to be yellow, and I'm gonna put this base plate inside of the desert folder. So now we are just going to make, so this is the last step for building, I guess, for setting up. So we're gonna create a part. This is gonna go in the grass folder. I'm gonna make the size to 111. I'm gonna copy the position of the base plate and select the part and paste the position, and I'm gonna drag it up, and I'm gonna call this part to teleport part. I'm gonna make the transparency to 1, anchored to true, and 𝗤𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗦 to false. And I'm gonna do the same for all of the maps. So this is going in snow, and this is going in desert. So now we're done with setting up the stuff. Now, oh yeah, one last thing. We're gonna make the lobby. So we're just gonna make this. There we go. And this is not gonna go in the maps folder. Okay, I'll just call this lobby. Okay, and I'll make this a little different so we can tell that it's just a lobby. And just keep the teleport part and just put that folder in workspace, not the maps folder. Okay, so now we can actually start scripting. Oh wait, no, we forgot to do the timer, sorry. So in the voting GUI, we're gonna add a text label. I'm gonna make this like that. I think this is pretty good. I'll change this, boom, boom, and then there we go, timer. So, we're gonna call this text label timer, by the way. Alright, now we can start scripting. So, the first thing we are going to do is insert a script in server script service. We're gonna add a script. We're gonna call this the main script. And then we are going to do local function. Actually no, first in the line 1 we're going to add a variable. So local game length is equal to let's make the game last for 10 seconds for just testing, and then the voting length to 10 seconds as well. So let's start actually doing the functions. So local function update timer text, and then do for I player in pairs game game dot players get players do local player GUI is equal to player 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗦 player GUI, and local timer equals player GUI 𝗦𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 voting GUI, and then 𝗦𝗢𝗏𝗏𝗏 timer, and then just do timer.text equals text. Okay, there we go. Make sure everything is correct. Make sure there's no words that have like a red line under it or an orange line. Make sure everything is correct. Make sure there's no spelling mistakes. So now we're gonna do local function start game, and we're gonna do yeah, we're actually gonna duplicate this function, duplicate everything, and then local function change voting frame visibility, and then do boolean, and then remove this. Oh, actually no, just change it to voting frame, and then do and then here voting frame, and then just do voting frame dot visible equals boolean. So next we're gonna do we're gonna do task.spawn function, and then we're gonna do for I, or for count 1, for count 1 equals game length 0 and -1. We're gonna add a little weight to 1, by the way. There you go. We're gonna do if count 1 is higher than 0, then update timer, and then count 1 s, or voting. Okay, actually we're gonna start with the voting. We're gonna start with the voting, and then we're gonna do the game. So voting, there you go, space, and then count 1 s. Okay. So yeah, I know you're probably thinking this is a little bit too fast, like the tutorial is very fast, but you can pause the video, so just don't mind about that. And then do if count 1 is smaller or equal to 0, then update timer, game, or actually yeah, we're gonna do break, and then up here the line above it, we're gonna do for count 2 equals game length 0 -1, and then if count 2 is higher than 0, then we're gonna update timer again, do game count 2 s, and we're gonna do if the count 2 is smaller or equal to 0, then break. There you go. So this is it. We're also going to do we're gonna select from task.spawn to end, the like second to last end, then do Control X, and then just do while wait to do, and then Control V. Alright, so next, after the end that has the parenthesis, we're gonna do change voting frame visibility true, and we're gonna do another function called add vote, and we're simply going to do in here for I v in pairs voting frame get children do. We're gonna do if oh yeah, so up here, guys, we're going to make new variables because we're gonna need that right now. So local rs equals game get service replicate storage, then local votes equals rs wait for child votes. I'm gonna do if votes find first child v.name, then. So what we're doing is we're getting all the buttons, the map buttons inside of the frame, and to get that, and you know, to not confuse the script with all the other elements, we're simply going to check if the values here have the same name of the button, then we can, then we got all the buttons. So just do votes v dot mouse button one down connect function. We're gonna do local has voted in here equals false, And we're gonna do if not has voted, then has voted equals true, and votes find first child v dot name dot value equals to or plus equals to 1. So we're actually gonna rename the function to just vote. There you go. So vote, and then we're going to wait the voting length. We're gonna change the voting frame visibility to false, and then we're gonna do wait to game length. There you go. And then I forgot to do something in here. We're gonna do has voted equals false. There you go. So whenever it's voting time, you will be able to vote. But if it's game time, you won't. Okay. So last thing we gotta add is the amount of votes on that map. So we're gonna add a text label like this. Zero votes. Left. And we're gonna change the name of that text label to vote amount, and just do Control D and then Control X, and then select the two other buttons, and then do Control Shift V. So now, as you can see, we have the vote amount. Okay, so now we just gotta script that, and that's like one line of code, so just don't worry about that. It's simply vote v find first child, or no, v wait for child vote amount dot text is equal to toString votes find first child v dot name dot value. Okay. Next thing, we're going to do one last function, and I think we should be done after that. So local function reset votes, and then for I v in pairs votes get children do. If v is a int value, then which is the class name of those like vote values inside of the votes folder inside of 𝗤𝗥𝗢𝗗𝗧𝗦, v dot value equals false, or v dot value equals zero. My bad. And then we're gonna do in here reset votes, and we should be done, I think. We should be done for the voting system and stuff, and the game system. The last thing we're gonna have to do is just make it so it actually teleports you. So we're gonna make that after. So we're gonna play, and I forgot to add a spawn point on the lobby. My bad. Let me add that. There you go. Oops. Boom. I'll make this invisible, and I'll put it in the lobby. There we go. Alright, let's test it and see if there's any mistakes. There shouldn't be. Okay. Let's see. What's wrong? Oh, okay, I'm dumb. I forgot to I forgot to call the function. Guys, if you don't call the function, like, what's the point of making the function if you don't actually call it? If you don't actually use it? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, just at the end of the code, just add start game. And okay, infinite yield possible on. Oh wait. Oh, okay. It should be like the. Sorry. So basically, yeah. So this right here and this right here should be the exact same as the name of your GUI. So that's just my bad. Okay, it will work now, don't worry. It will. Right. Yeah, yeah. Okay, nice. So it says voting, and then you can add a vote. It just says one and not one vote, but we can fix that easily. And then game. Oh, okay. Well, it's kind of working, but yeah, we're gonna fix that, of course. So in here, we're gonna add 2 dots and then votes. There you go. Okay, so what's wrong with the timer? Oh, okay, my bad. So I forgot to do wait. Not here actually. I'm pretty dumb. Wait 1 right here. There we go. I forgot to do that. Okay. We test. Yeah, we're gonna test. Okay. All right. So voting 9 seconds, 8, 7. You know, pretty cool. We can vote. We can't vote for other maps. Okay. So everything is calculated. Okay. I'm a scripter. Don't worry. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Cool. And is it gonna go back? Let's see if it's gonna go back to voting. Yep. Oh yeah, it still says 1 vote, but that's fine, don't worry. And it should loop. Yep, it loops. So yeah, pretty cool, right? Yeah. I'm just gonna use a little plugin to make the GUI look better on all of the devices. So yeah, you don't need to do that, I'm just gonna do it, because why not? Okay. So yeah, now the GUI is nice for all of the devices. Look, very cool. If you want to do that as well to make your GUI look compatible or be compatible for all the devices, which is tablet and Xbox and stuff, go in Toolbox plugins and it's called what is it? 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗣𝗢𝗓. And take this one with it's made by 𝗤𝗥𝗢𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗧. So yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna do something else. So it didn't actually update the text when the votes were reset. So that's easy to fix. We're just gonna do we're just gonna wait. Okay, yeah. So we just gotta do this. So copy this line right here, and then paste it here, and then just change the text to 0 votes. There you go. Okay, so now when we play, we should have a nice GUI, and we should also it should also say 0 votes when when it's back to voting time. And yeah, 0 votes. Okay, cool. And you can still vote for it. Alright, so pretty cool. Now we're going to make it so you can actually, so like it basically is basically gonna choose which map has the most votes, right? It's just gonna do that, and it's just gonna teleport you to the map with the highest votes. So we're gonna duplicate the timer, put it under, and we're gonna just change the text to like chosen map for now. Chosen map. So don't worry, that's not gonna actually show in the game, it's only a preview. And change the name of the text label to chosen map as well. So now I'm just gonna get a little function that I've made in the past, and I'll just copy it and paste it in my code, and you can just, well, copy it as well. Alright, so I have it copied, so I'm just gonna paste it well, above all the functions. So it's called function pick high. Okay. and that's the function. Just copy it. Okay, so local function pick high votes table local high equals 1 for I vote and pairs for votes table do. If vote value is higher than votes table high value, then high equals I, and then return votes table high. So that's the function. You can just pause the video, I guess. And what are we gonna do now? Oh yeah. So we're gonna add a little value here called local chosen map equals, and then I'll just set that to this for now. And then we're going to do okay, so after the change voting frame visibility to false, do chosen map equals pick high, and then like or wait, how are we gonna do that? So basically we wanna like we just want to like okay, I know. So we're gonna do pick high votes 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏 grass value, and then votes 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏 value, votes 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏 value. So whenever you're this is very important. Whenever you're adding a map, just go in here and do comma, and then votes 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏, you know, the name of the value of the name of your map, and then the value. So yeah, and then do print chosen map. I don't think it's gonna work yet, but we will fix it. So I'll vote for grass. It should print grass, but it probably won't. But we're just gonna fix it, so don't worry. And invalid arguments table expected got number. Did I forget to yeah. Okay, so it's very simple. Just select everything that's inside the brackets, and then do alt, and then this little symbol, like the pointy bracket, and it should work. There you go. For me, the pointy bracket is the like number 9 on my keyboard, but not on the numpad. Okay, so not working yet. Attempt to index number with value. If okay, I get it. Just remove that value every time you do like 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏 and stuff. And okay, it's working actually. Alright, so it did print grass, since I voted for grass, and you know the map with the most votes was grass, since you know there was 1 vote. Anyways, so chosen. Okay, so this is working perfectly fine. We're also after the change voting frame visibility true line, just do chosen map equals, and then this. You don't have to do it actually, never mind. Okay, so next we're gonna do in this like function here, change voting frame visibility. We're gonna do voting frame 𝗦𝗢𝗔𝗟𝗏 to wait. We're gonna copy this line right here and do local chosen map. Chosen map, there you go. And then just replace this to chosen map, and then do chosen map dot visible equals boolean. So there we go, and then chosen map dot text equals current map, and then chosen map. So now what I've added is it should just say the voting, like, or actually I'll just stop for now, and then boom. I'm gonna save this file for now because I don't want to, you know, because it already happened to me. Like, I work on the game and then I completely crash and I lose my entire code. I don't want that to happen, so I'm gonna save that. So I'll just call the file voting or map voting tutorial. Okay. So it should display. Oh, did I not? Oh my god, I didn't even. Oh, I did. Okay, weird. What? Attempt to concatenate a string of instance? Chosen map. Oh. Just add text here. And then replace that. Sorry. It was the same name as the actual chosen map value. Okay, now what? Oh. My bad, forgot to do that for here as well. Okay, now it works. Cool. So, current map, there's no current map, but when it's time for the game, you will see that it's going to say a thing. Oh. 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 Okay. Just do visible equals not boolean, maybe. I think that's what's happening here. Just not boolean. So, okay, nice. So voting, thingy, and then I'll just vote for grass again. There you go. And then current map, and it should say grass, but maybe like, okay, just put that line here above that line, and it should work now. I'll vote for snow this time, and it should say snow. Oh, what? What do you mean, bro? What? Okay, well apparently it's okay. Well, maybe I have to do .name here, maybe. Because I think oh yeah, it's working now. Okay, cool. So it says current map equals current map is snow, and they even printed. So yeah. And now I'll vote for desert, and it's gonna print desert, and it's going to say current map desert. So everything is working perfectly. This is amazing. Very cool. Okay, last step is to just teleport the players. So we're gonna do we're gonna copy this function here. We're gonna paste it right under. We're gonna do local function teleport, and then do in the brackets teleport location, I mean. And then you can remove this line, this. Keep this line and this one and that one, and just yeah. So just do for I players, get the players, and then local character equals player.character or player.character added weight, and then do local human root part, equals character with for child humanoid root part, and then humanoid root part dot c frame equals location. And next, before the has voted equals false, just do teleport, or I'll call the function teleport players. So teleport players, and then in the brackets do workspace with for child lobby with for child spawn location, or not spawn location, just teleport part dot c frame. There we go. And then after the after the chosen map equals pick high thingy line, paste that line, and instead of do teleport wait for child lobby thingy, just do wait for child chosen map, and then wait for child teleport part dot c frame. Okay, let's see if it's working, shall we? Before that though, I'm going to, well, first I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen if I die, but yeah. So as you can see, we're starting at the lobby, but now we can actually get teleported. So I just voted for snow, so I should get teleported here. Okay, no. Doesn't look like it, I guess. It's fine. I'll fix it. There's an error. Workspace with, oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot to do. So yeah, it's not working because the snow is looking for the snow folder inside of the workspace. It's actually inside of the maps folder. So we gotta do chosen. We gotta do wait with workspace for child maps, and then wait for child chosen map. There we go. So now it should work, right? Okay, so we start in the lobby. I'll vote for desert. It says one vote. Very cool. Can't vote for the others. Yep, current map desert, and as you can see, I just got teleported to the desert map. So this is working perfectly fine. I should get teleported back to the lobby. Yep. Now let's go to the snow map. And boom, works. Now let me show you what happens if I die. Well, if I die, I go back to the lobby, which I don't think you want to happen. I'll do it one more time to just show you. I'll go in the grass. Boom, I die. And if I die, I should get back to the lobby, which is not what we want. Yep, we're back in the lobby, and that's not what we want. And to fix that, we just have to do up here, game.players.playerAdded connect function player, and then player.characterAdded connect function character, and then just do if chosen map yeah, we do gotta, okay, so before the teleport players line, do chosen map equals this, and go back up here. If chosen map equals to this, then we're gonna copy this line right here, paste it, and do else if chosen map isn't equal to that. So if the game actually started, we're going to teleport the player to the map. So let's see if it's fixed, right? Shall we? So now when we die, we shouldn't get back to the lobby, but we should actually get back to the map. Okay, so let's reset our character. And oh, Okay, weird. Okay, well, it's not really working. I don't know why. Let me see. Oh, I think I know why it's not working. Okay, yeah. So instead of actually calling the function in here, we're gonna do local human root part, etc. And then just do human root part dot cframe is equal to, and then the rest of the line. And then same for here, cframe equals, copy all of this, paste here. I can remove that. Okay, now it will work. I think, hopefully, I mean. Okay, let's die. What the heck? Well, maybe let's do wait 1, maybe. And actually, I'll put, oh, there you go. Let's do wait 1 after the, yeah. Because I think I know why it's not working. Basically, it's because basically it's spawning you. It's spawning you on the lobby. No, it's spawning you on the map, and it instantly puts you in the lobby because, you know, lobby has a spawn location. So we have to do wait 1 so it actually, yeah, see, it works now. Yes, that was the problem. Now let's do 0.5. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, it also works with the lobby. So if you die in the lobby, you're not gonna respawn on any map. You're just gonna respawn at lobby, of course. Just let me show you. Yep. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty simple, but yeah, games with a, you know, timer and, you know, voting geo system and stuff are pretty fun. Like Big Paintball, for example, that's one of my favorite games. You might actually find me in there if if you play Big Paintball a lot. You should probably find me in the game. But yeah, because I play it a lot. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're gonna enjoy your little voting thing that I made you, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace. Also, guys, my old Discord account is banned, so I made a new one, and yeah, it's on the screen right now. So just whenever you have a commission or yeah, just add this guy, not my old account. Okay. I also made a new server. It's link in the description. It's not really done yet, but you can still join it. So yeah, I made a new one. Alright, peace out.